How do I set up a Wix business email? To do this, you need to connect a custom domain and upgrade your account to a premium one. To do this, I actually have a video on this, so I will link this video down below if you want to watch it. And but to set up a business email account, we can head over to the Wix website, and they have a step-by-step list on how to do this. So step 1 is to create your own website, and step 2 is to pick the premium plan that fits your needs, and step 3 is to connect your domain to your website, and step 4 is to click on purchase mailbox. You will have the option of clicking on purchase mailbox after you have upgraded your plan and connected your custom domain. And then you want to pick how many mailboxes you want, and then choose a subscription and complete your purchase. So this is how you set up a Wix business email. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.